The Keychron K10 is a fantastic full-size keyboard designed for both Mac and Windows users. Its standout feature is the hot swappable PCB, allowing you to easily customize your typing experience with different mechanical switches without any soldering. It comes with pre-installed Keychron G Pro Brown switches, which offer a satisfying tactile bump, but you can easily swap them out for your preferred switches. This is a huge plus for anyone who likes to tinker with their keyboard feel. The 104-key layout includes a number pad, dedicated Mac function keys like a screenshot key, Siri Cortana key, and screen lock key. Keychron thoughtfully includes extra keycaps for both Windows and Mac, ensuring compatibility regardless of your operating system. The RGB backlighting adds a touch of personalization and looks great, especially in low-light conditions. Connectivity is excellent, with Bluetooth 5.1 allowing you to connect up to 3 devices and seamlessly switch between them. This is perfect for multitaskers who work across multiple devices. The wired mode with USB Type-C is a reliable backup for when you need a stable connection. The massive 4,000 mAh battery is a huge bonus, providing up to 240 hours of use with the backlight off. You won't be constantly tethered to a charger. The K10 also boasts a comfortable typing experience thanks to its 2-level adjustable feet and inclined bottom frame. This ergonomic design helps reduce strain during long typing sessions. While marketed for home, office, and light gaming, the K10 truly shines as a productivity powerhouse. The full-size layout, customizable switches, and excellent connectivity make it a top contender for anyone looking for a versatile and comfortable keyboard. The Keychron K10 delivers a premium typing experience without the premium price tag.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.